Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test run a character named Beidou in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, just press and hold Alt on your keyboard, which will bring up your mouse pointer like so, and then click on this icon right here. Here you can see an option called Test Run. Click on it. Once you're in the Test Run screen, click on this character icon right here. So this is the character named Beidou. If you want to test run this, just click on this try button right here and you can test run the character. Also, you can choose to preview the character by clicking on this icon right here. So here you have it. This is how you test run Beidou in Genshin. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!